So with your forefinger, we're going to use hand breathing to trace around the outside of our hand. So we'll be inhaling as the finger comes up, exhaling as the finger comes down, tracing around the outside of our hand so we can feel as well the sensations that that creates to become more in the here and now. So we'll start at the base of the thumb. And if we can, we'll breathe in and out through the nose. Exhaling, just holding the finger there. And then on the inhale, allow the finger to come up the side of the hand, thumb. As you exhale, releasing down the inside. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale up the thumb. Exhale down the thumb. Inhale up the forefinger. Exhale down the forefinger. Inhale, middle finger. Exhale down the middle finger. Inhale, ring finger. Exhale down the ring finger. Inhale up the little finger. Exhale down the little finger. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In, out. 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 And continuing at a pace that works for you. The hand, the finger tracing around the hand. Noticing the sensation of touch. Noticing the expansion of the body on the inhale. Noticing the relaxation of the body on the exhale. Going at a pace that works for you and your body. On the next exhale, allow your breath to return back to its usual pace. And sit or lie and observe the effects of this simple yet effective breathing practice that you can do anywhere you wish. This hand breathing helps to calm the body and the mind. It helps us bring our awareness to the here and now, away from the chitter, chatter of the busy mind. Sit and observe this moment. Sit and observe the breath. Without changing it, just observe the inhale. Observe the exhale. Observe the inhale Observe the exhale. If you have the eyes closed, gently opening the eyes.